Why WorkfloPlus? It creates step-by-step digital work instructions. Use AI to build a workflow in seconds, pick a template, or start from scratch. AI gives you a smart starting point even for complex tasks. Then, customize it to match your exact process or standard operating procedure. Need to stay compliant? Update your instructions when regulations change and roll them out instantly across your teams. With full version control, you're always aligned with the latest standards. Assign tasks to your team. Schedule jobs for the right time in the right place. Everyone knows what to do, when to do it, and who's responsible. As tasks are completed, data is captured automatically. Photos, scans, and timestamps are built in. When the work is done, reports are ready instantly. Use the data to review performance, fix issues, and improve operations. No other system captures this level of detail. That's why WorkfloPlus gives you a competitive edge and better decisions, powered by data.